Yo crypto fam, how's it going? Today I will be giving you a brief guide on how to start your journey in cryptocurrency world. So crypto is highly dangerous, highly volatile. There's a risk of you losing your money if you're not acting smart. So make sure to keep that in mind and invest money which you can afford to lose. Okay, so you want to start in crypto. Today I will guide you through how to, number one, create a centralized exchange account, and two, create your own hot wallet. So let's start from the centralized exchange account. On my screen you can see Blowfin. I recommend Blowfin as the centralized exchange where we will start our journey, as it's very user friendly, easy to use, and it has the best trading spread, which means you lose the least money on your trades. The fees are very low as well, and completely simple and easy to register. So let's start. Sign up. We put in our email address or the phone number. We put the desired password which you want to create, and important, if you want to get some discounts, now Blowfin is hosting an event where you will get 20% cash back on what you deposit onto your futures account. So this is a good deal and good opportunity for any new people who want to create an account, as it's basically free money. Put in the code HADES, thanks to which you will get these discounts, and boom, create your account in minutes. You have to just confirm on your email. Once you do that, you will have the interface. So this will be your interface. On Blowfin you have a spot interface here. You can buy all of these cryptocurrencies which they have listed. Usually they are in pairs to USDT, which is the native stable coin. They also have USDC. These two are the most safe and popular stable coins which you would want to register with. You can also buy crypto if you do your two-factor authentication through Google Pay, Apple Pay, and other forms, as well as a bank transfer, or just deposit your crypto onto the centralized exchange. What we will be using the centralized exchange for is for making trades on futures and making trades on spot. Also, we will be withdrawing our crypto which we bought on the spot account, withdraw it to the hot wallets. So each of you should have a hot wallet, as this is a secure way to store your cryptocurrency. Remember, not your crypto, not your keys, or the other way. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Okay, so I recommend the simple and most popular wallet, which is Phantom Wallet. Remember to verify the link, because there are several scams going around. Phantom.com. Download Phantom and you will have your 24. You can scan the QR code to download it on the mobile phone. And I also recommend having an extension. So this would be the dApp. Here I have my account. Okay, so once we have our Phantom wallet ready, you should have it set up after you store your 12 or 24 words in a safe place. Don't give it to anyone, as they can easily take over your wallet. So this would be the interface. You can deposit Solana, Ethereum, and any other cryptocurrency which they are supporting. So in case you want to receive, how would you be storing? You would be pressing withdraw on your Blowfin account once you bought the Solana, and taking the address. You can either use the QR code or you can use this copy. This will be your address. So I just copied the address and I can post here. This is how it would look like. This is a form of an address. Each address is different. So boom, first step, create a centralized exchange account on Blowfin. Use the code HADES to get the discounts and save money plus cashback. Then buy crypto through quick buy, bank transfer, after you've done two-factor authentication to secure your account. Then you will be withdrawing, pressing this button to withdraw the crypto onto your wallet, onto your crypto Phantom wallet, okay, by pressing receive. So once you have a centralized exchange account, you can also create one on MEXC in the future, but for now we stick to Blowfin as the first one, and withdraw some of the tokens of your choice. The starting tokens or coins which I would recommend to buy is standard Ethereum and or Solana. They have the low risk and have potential gain. This is with which you should start trading, as on-chain trading happens in these pairs, okay? So thanks for joining, and I'll be giving some guides on how to buy on the decentralized exchange directly here on the channel. If this video was useful, hit the like button and remember to subscribe.